Hi, Stephen here with a quick tutorial on our new look projects and cable data tables. While the main reason for updating the tables are technical code changes and updates, we have taken the opportunity to make some small changes, improve and in some cases simplify some functionality. All the data tables on the site have changed, however the cables data table probably has the most features, so I'll concentrate on this. The table itself is divided into three sections: the action bar at the top, the filter area and the data table itself. Looking at the data table area first, you can use the headings to sort the table. Hovering over a row highlights it, and on the right are edit, delete, copy and move buttons. One change is that previously, if you clicked on a cell, you'll be able to edit just that cell. This is no longer the case, and you need to enter the full edit mode. In edit mode, if you make any changes and all the fields are valid, the save button will be enabled. Or you can just cancel if you don't want to keep your changes. On the right side is a new feature, a detail box. This will show you a little more information about each cable. While not as much as on the edit forms or in the reports, it can be useful. Check boxes allow you to select cables. You can select or deselect all or individually. As cables have been selected, you will notice that some buttons on the action bar become available. These buttons will act on all the selected cables. The Reports button allows you to print various types of reports. With no cables selected, printing a report will use all the cables. If one or more cables are selected, only these will be reported. Adding cables has changed slightly. Previously, you would directly enter edit mode, but now the cable is first placed in the table and then you need to click the edit button to activate the edit form. Finally, there is the filter area. If you navigate directly to the cables, the last project you worked on will be loaded. You can use a drop-down box to change to a different project at any time. You can use the filter to narrow the displayed cables. Adding terms separated by a space finds rows with either of these terms. If you precede the term with a plus, the row must contain that term, and with a negative or minus, the row must not contain that term. And that's the end of the overview. I hope you found the tutorial useful, and if you haven't already tried our application, you can register and we'll be given some free credits to test it out.